Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to do the addition or subtraction of given fractions. One thing we have to remember always, whenever I want to do the addition or subtraction of fractions, my denominators should be same, or I can say the fractions should be like fractions. Suppose I have 4 upon 9 and 2 upon 9. I have to add these two numbers. Now first of all, the first step is going to check if they are like fractions. So I can see here the denominators are same, 9 and 9. So my fractions are like fractions. Now I can add them. How? Make the denominator single, that is 9. Put a long line and then add the numerators, that is 4 plus 2. So this is 6 upon 9. So this is going to be my answer. Suppose I have 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. Now there are three numbers, no problem, there are three fractions. I can see the first step is to check if they are like fractions. Yes, they are like fractions because the denominator are same. So make single denominator. Now add the numerators. So this is 3 plus 1 plus 5. So 3 plus 1 plus 5 is 9. So this is 9 upon 8. This is going to be my answer. Now I have 5 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8. Now first step is to check if they are like fractions. No, they are not like fractions because they both have different denominators. So they are not like fractions. So just to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions, I have told you in my previous video. The link is given below. You can check the description box to get the link and see how to convert fractions into like fractions. So I'll find LCM of 6 and 8. Let's see, LCM of 6 and 8 will be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again 2s are 2 2s are 4. Again 2s are 3 1s are and 3 1s are. So my LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The product of these all numbers. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. This is my, so my LCM is 24. Now I'll convert these numbers. 5 upon 6 I'll convert into equivalent fraction. I have to make the denominator as 24, that is LCM, and 3 upon 8 I have to convert 8 into 24. Now with what number I'll multiply? 5 upon 6 I have to make 6 as 24, so I'll multiply it with 4 below and above. So 4 5s are 20. Now 3 upon 8 I have to convert 8 into 24. I'll multiply with 3 below and above. So 3 3s are 9. So these are the new numbers, 20 upon 24 and 9 upon 24. Now 5 upon 6 has been converted into 20 upon 24 and 3 upon 8 has been converted into 9 upon 24. So now I have like fractions. So this is the simple calculation now. Convert the denominator as single denominator and add the numerators, that is 20 plus 9, which is equals to 29 upon 24. So this is your answer. This is how we do the addition of unlike fractions. Subtraction will be done in the same manner. I have to check if my fractions are equivalent fractions or not, like fractions or not. Now here the denominators are same, so I'll adopt the same method. Write denominator as single and subtract the numerator as I was doing in addition. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and denominator as it is. So my answer is 3 upon 9. Now suppose I have unlike fractions. Suppose 7 upon 8 minus 5 upon 12. I'll adopt the same method as I did it in addition. I have to find the LCM of 8 and 12 just to convert the numbers into like fractions. So this is 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 3 as it is, then 3 1s are. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24 again. So I'll convert 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 12 with the denominator 24. Now 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. I have to convert them into 24. So I'll do this way. Just write the way I am writing. You will get the speed. You can solve these questions very speedily. Write the LCM, that is 24. Now write the number as it is, 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 12 with the multiplication sign. So 12 should be multiplied by 2 to get 24. So multiply the numerator also with 2. So I'll get 10 here. Multiply 8 with 3 to get 24. So I have to multiply numerator also with 3. So I'll get 21. So my new numbers are 21 upon 24 and 10 upon 24. So 7 upon 8 is been converted into 21 upon 24, and 5 upon 12 is been converted into 10 upon 24. The same method I'll adopt. I'll write single numerator and I'll subtract the numerators. So 21 minus 10 is 11 and upon 24. So this is my answer. This is how can we solve the subtraction of unlike fractions.